Hello, it's John Longcroft-Neal here today. Use my full name, it is a Sunday after all. And it's Sunday the 15th of May 2022. And I'm going to film with the drone the steam train at Shenton Station. Here we go. Well, I have to say it's another warm day in May. Yesterday was bright sunshine virtually all day. There's a bit of cloud today and it's not too windy, about 10 miles an hour, which is fine for the drone. But yeah, the steam train's rolling again today, and we were out yesterday and we can hear it sort of tooting away in places, so I thought I'd go out and try what is in fact my third attempt at a drone fly on the steam train, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hiya.
Alright.
Nice day for it.
It is nice, isn't it? Not too hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Quite clean and light at the moment. o'clock, 5 o'clock.
So there you have it, the Shackerstone to Shenton Railway. Yeah, that was good. It was 7 minutes late and I nearly missed it with the drone, so I hope I've got what I need. We'll see. Let's get back and sort it out. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. No, you'll see me, of course. You'll see me, I won't see you. You see me, I won't see you. You'll see me.